Want to run a poll on Discord, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to create a poll on Discord. Now let's get started. To create a poll on Discord, open the Discord app and go to the server and channel where you want to share your poll. Then tap the plus sign in the bottom left corner. Select Polls. At the top, type in the question you want to ask. Then fill in the answer text boxes with the answer options you want to allow people to choose from. You can have up to 10 options in your poll. You can also choose emojis to represent each option in your poll if you like. Tap the smiley face beside a poll option, then select the emoji you want to use. At the bottom, you can choose how long you want to let your poll run for. 1 hour, 4 hours, 8 hours, 24 hours, 3 days, 1 week, or 2 weeks. And choose if you want to allow people to vote for multiple answers or not. When you're ready, go ahead and post your poll to your chat. When your friends view your poll, they can tap the option they want to vote for, then tap Vote to submit their choice. You'll be able to see the results of the poll as votes come in. That's all it takes to run a poll on Discord. Haven't installed the Discord mobile app yet? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.